Houston, we have a problem. No fucking clue where the drone is. Hi guys, so we're here today in the Praia Formosa.
Again, because it's a very beautiful spot.
Our favorite spot. And we're here to introduce you our new family member. So you see now the footage.
It was a complicated birth.
Yeah. And we hope we get better on it. So you see our attempts to make it happen.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The other side now.
Huh?
To the other side now.
Where's it land? But coming here? Huh?
No, it didn't bring it home yet.
No? Any announcements from the cockpit?
Houston, we have a problem.
Now we are filming live from the cockpit.
Houston, we're traveling in a speed of
Light?
light of 3 miles per second, and we are 52 meters high and 230 meters distance from home, and I have no idea where the drone is, so Houston, we have a problem.
And there's the dog.
And no fucking clue where the drone is. But it's coming home.
At least.
Somewhere. Ah, there. Oh,
Where?
I can see it.
Where?
There. Ah, the way there. now. Houston, our first mission was a success.
Not too many injured.
Yeah. So guys, this is our new baby, the B1. It's the new addition to the family. You can see the B1. New addition to the family. We are so happy to have it. He came home safely. So, a few minor injuries, but we're all fine.
Yeah, we're coming back to Praia de Formosa quite frequently at the moment because due to the COVID we don't really feel like going into the city center. And here it's very quiet.
Except for the ocean.
Apart from the waves, which will wash us away anytime soon.
Yeah.
Now we like to come down here to the paddle beach because it's really relaxing, black beach sand. If you're a geologist or a rock star, you would love it here.
Yeah.
Many rocks to see. Nice restaurants down here, where you can have good quality food and even better quality drinks.
Yep. And for a good price. And so we have a new family member. We hope you enjoy it.
So keep following our channel, subscribe and watch our videos, and please, please, please hit the like button.
Yes.
We need more likes, guys.
Please.
More likes. I mean, if you don't like me and you like her, press the like button. If you like me and not her, press the like button.
If you don't like any of us, press the like button just for the effort.
If you're only watching for the duck, press the like button.
Yes. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and the notification bell so you don't miss our next videos, and be with us.